Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today is Plan With Me Monday. I will be in my Big Happy Planner, and this was the new planner that I picked up for this year. If you want to see me opening up this planner, I will link last week's video down below. Today I would like to use the November kit from the Planner Society. I just thought this was super pretty, and I actually was putting some stuff away and realized I never even opened it up. So I'm not going to do a whole unboxing today. I just wanted to show you some of the things that I picked out that I'm going to use on this planner or this spread, or at least I think I may use some of the things. This kit has some beautiful burgundies and greens and kind of a lacy romantic kind of feel to it. I just thought it was super pretty, and I haven't used it yet, so I wanted to use it for this week. It has some washi strips. Here are some dimensional stickers. Here are the stickers here. Just really pretty. And then an ephemera pack that has several really cool die cuts. So pretty. There. And then here are the papers. Here are the prints here. A plaid, some florals, and then this wood with some lace. And then here is a floral acetate. And this is another floral acetate sheet. And then there is one sheet of vellum. So I'm not sure what all I will use, but I will get stuff cleared off here and we will get started. Alright, so here's my final layout. I went ahead and left the border here that they had on along the spine because I figured this matched this well enough. But I did cover up the flowers that were up at the top, but I left the other little aqua flecks that are up there because that matches the aqua in my paper. Instead of just doing single blocks like I normally do, I decided to try and do a different layout with 2 blocks at a time here, alternating with the plaid and the floral. And then I just went in and I added die cuts randomly over here. I always like to have a bigger element in the corners there. And then I added some of the smaller stickers for some to-do lists here and some of the little washi strips. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next Monday for another Plan With Me video. Bye. God bless.